Hello everyone. Keploy is an open source tool that generates automated test cases and data mocks. Today I'll be showing you how to use Keploy with a sample score application. It is a sample Elasticsearch app that performs CRUD operations that we'll be using to test Keploy integration's capabilities. I have already cloned the app in my local system and I've opened it in my code editor. So to use Keploy in a samples application, we have to import Keploy in our system, and after that, to start the Keploy server, we can just write Keploy in the terminal and it will start a server. As you can see, the Keploy server is now running. Now let's run our sample application. Before running a sample application, we have to make sure that we put the Keploy mode into record mode. So I'll copy this. So now the Keploy mode has been shifted to record mode, and now we can, as you can see, the Gin Elasticsearch is also up and running. Now we need to generate some test cases to check whether Keploy is recording them or not. So for that, let's put a post call request right now. Okay, so we have got our first request. Let's see in the terminal. So yes, that is being shown here. And then when we go to Keploy, you can see that the mocks for the first test case has been recorded. Similarly, let's put a get request now. We have also got the test cases for get request. As you can see here, Keploy has already recorded it. Now what next we have to do is, now we have to shift it Keploy mode to test mode. For that, first of all, we have to close our server, the application server. Then we have to export the Keploy mode to test and then run the server again. Now what we'll do is, this will set the Keploy in test mode output, and it should look something like this when you check it here. So it says for test run ID this, we had 6 test cases, out of which 6 has passed and 0 had failed. So as you can see, Keploy had successfully recorded all the test cases, and if you find it here, we have got all the mocks and the test cases for our application. So this is how Keploy can record test cases and generate data mocks just via some API calls of your application.